Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import PDF in Notion. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Notion website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to import your PDF. Go to your space where you want to import PDF. Here, navigate to the bottom of the Notion page where you'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open more options, then choose Import. This will open a menu of sources. Here, look towards top and select PDF option. Now browse through your files, find the PDF you want to import, and select it. After that, Notion will begin uploading your file. Depending on the size, this may take a few seconds. Once it's uploaded, Notion automatically creates a clean embedded view of your PDF. You can open it directly within your workspace, move it around, or integrate it into your notes or pages as needed. And that's it. So that is how you can import PDF in Notion. So that's all for this video. Thanks.